Hello everyone, I am Tanvir Alam Siddiqui from Simej College Patna, and I am here to give the onboard presentation on the topic of Boolean algebra in discrete mathematics. Today I covered two topics, Boolean algebra and Boolean laws. Now Boolean algebra, it is invented by George Woolley in 1854, and he is a renowned mathematician, also known as algebra of logic and switching algebra. It deals with the truth values 0 and 1, and there are various laws under this Boolean, known as Boolean law. So you can see there are several Boolean laws: identity law, inverse law, double complement law, and idempotent law, absorption law, commutative law, associative law, and distributive law. So today I discuss only two topics, that is inverse law and idempotent law. Now come to the inverse law. This law states that a variable and its complement will result 0 when ANDed and 1 when ORed. It means there is a two formula given. The law states that a variable and its complement will result in 0 when ANDed. When we ANDed any two of the itself variable, means if we take A and A, if you take any variable and the complement of its variable give the one result, you can see the output 0 and 1. Okay, let me write. Okay. So here you can see that complement and the without complement of variables A, it gives the result 1 in both of the cases. And now come to the second. When we OR any variables, then it gives only 0, whatever the input will be, you will get only the 0 value. When you ANDed the variables and when you ORed the variables, then you will get the output 1. Now come to the next topic, idempotent law. This law states that a variable ANDed. Now come to the idempotent law. This law states that a variable ANDed or ORed with itself is equal to the variable itself. It means whatever value you can take the variables, then you will get the same output. It means that if you see in this truth table, you will see that column 1 and column 3 will be identical. So whatever you will take the variables itself, it gives the same output. And if you ANDed the variables and if you ORed the variables, then you will get the same result. Thank you from my side.